Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Lily at Happy Class Center. Today, let's learn about letter P, sound P, P. Pen, P, P, pen. I use a pen to write. Peach, P, P, peach. I like peach. Pineapple, P, P, pineapple. The pineapple is orange. Panda, P, P, panda. The panda is cute. Now let's do a quiz. Everyone, let's look and tell me which one is panda. P, P, panda. It is? No, it is. Yes, very good. Now let's say panda, P, P, panda. And how about this one? Great. Say pineapple, P, P, pineapple. And the next one, I have two pictures here. Show me which one is pen, P, P, pen. It is. Good job. Let's say pen, P, P, pen. And the next one, what's this? Good. Say peach, P, P, peach. Now let's review. Everyone, listen and repeat. Pen, P, P, pen. Is that your pen? Peach, P, P, peach. Is that your peach? Pineapple, P, P, pineapple. Is that your pineapple? Panda, P, P, panda. Is that your panda? Very good. Thank you for listening. See you next